Okay, Gerald, who is Chappie6805 in our Discord, posted yesterday about CRBP, so we can look at what he posted and then we'll do some quick due diligence on CRBP. So he said he brought up CRBP, floats 11 million, 12 million outstanding, prices dropped like a hot potato, and then he included several articles on capital advisors, a couple asset management companies, Cormorant Asset Management and Octagon Capital Advisors, who have significantly increased their holdings in CRBP recently. So, and he says, assuming funds don't load up to lose money, but sure they would somehow get the price to go down so they could load up shares. And what do we think? So again, I wanted to do some due diligence on CRBP. Let's see how that looks. So Corbus Pharmaceutical Holdings, healthcare biotech stock. See, it had this precipitous drop in mid-September, so we'll see what the news was that caused that potential drop. See, it's got significant potential upside. So again, the question is, what caused that drop? And money losing, as typical for a biotech. They have no revenue. Again, losing money, no revenue. See, as he noted, only 12 million shares outstanding, 11 million float. Again, they lose a lot of money, typical of a biotech. 226 million market cap. This is optionable. Has a pretty high short float, so potential short squeeze as a potential catalyst. Very significant range. So it's been up to 61.90, down at 18 right now. We look at zoom out a little bit. So again, we see the precipitous drop down from 60 to 18. See, it popped up in February, so we'll see the news cause that positive pop. See, in the past, it's been much higher, as high as 300, although as we'll see, it's been diluted since then. If we look at some of the positive and negative news, see again when the Corbus Asset Management acquired, we got a plus 16%. Here's Octagon Capital. So they recently had both of these asset management companies, increase their shares significantly. We go down to February and look at that drop. So here's the big drop. January 29. So they released data for a tumor candidate and dropped precipitously. So obviously that data they failed a trial, and that's the risk with biotech. If they succeed in a trial, you can get huge gains. If they fail, get cut in half, etc. So Corbus is an oncology company, cancer and obesity, antibody drugs, etc. Also, I have these in our had CRBP in our database for a long time, and I also have it tagged as a cannabis stock. So you can see there's another angle, another theme they might benefit from is possible uptick in cannabis. Again, cancer research. So if they get a positive data on cancer, that's very positive. Again, money losing company, etc. So right now their cash per share is 12. So I did take the time to do a quarter's cash flow positive assessment of CRBP using our biotech due diligence Google sheet. So we can take a look at that. So again, if you're concerned, about the solvency or offerings, future offerings for any money-losing company, not just a biotech, you can use our biotech due diligence Google sheet to calculate the quarter's cash flow positive for any money-losing company. And again, there's a key that tells you where to get the data to plug into the various columns. So again, you can get access to this by joining our Patreon, make a copy, do your own due diligence on biotechs or any other money-losing company. So we'll see, as you see, I plugged in their cash on hand, their free cash flow. We get a calculation of quarters cash flow positive of 16, so that's very positive. So they don't seem to be at risk of running out of money, having to do an offering anytime soon. One of the other reasons they dropped in the past was after some of their positive earnings. So we see a huge pop. They did do an offering. So if you go back in time for a while, you'll see they did several offerings. So again, it's been diluted. And again, that's the risk with a biotech company. Also wanted to quickly look at the mid-chart mill. Pretty negative valuations. They're all negative, all zeros pretty much. I look at their fundamentals, zero, so very negative. Not profitable, which they're just a biotech. They don't generate revenue. Altman Z is very negative, so this says they have a risk of bankruptcy, so that's negative, but our quarter's cash flow positive calculation says they've got 16 quarters of money. So look at the current setup. 2 out of 10, so again, pretty negative. Has a poor technical rating, 4 out of 10. So again, not possibly a good technical setup either. So it's saying not a great time to buy CRBP. So let's see what potentially those asset management companies might be seeing in CRBP that we're not seeing. So let's look at their pipeline. Again, you can access the home pages for a company via the link in their profile in FinBiz. So we look at their pipeline. So they've got several drugs. Most are in preclinical. They've got a couple. One's just started phase 1. One's in phase 1. Looks like it's near ending, expanding a cohort. So they may be near reporting data on that phase 1. That's in China. Got one in, just started phase 1. We've got one, looks like they're going to start phase 1 in Q4. And we've got another one that looks like a first patient in Q1. So we've got several potential catalysts. So maybe that's what those asset management companies are banking on, is those near-term catalysts. So again, based on our quarter's cash flow positive calculations, if you wanted to take a shot, it's kind of, with biotechs, they're kind of lotto tickets. Again, if they report positive results, get a big pop. If they have poor results, get cut in half or worse. Also, another thing, as we pointed out, their short float's very high, so might get a short squeeze, particularly on positive news. Might get a short squeeze on that, good pop. Again, just another thing to risk to be aware of is the last time they had a big pop, they did an offering. So, take your profits, protect your profits on any news. Big pop, they might get a little bit of a pop when they dose their first patients in those trials. But that's not significant. It's not data. But sometimes those news press releases do give you a little bit of a pop. So if anyone else has any experience with CRBP and trading it in the past or with the company itself, please let us know what you think of this Corbus Pharmaceuticals. Post it in our Discord. Again, our Discord's free to join. You can find an invite in the description box below. And thank you, Gerald. This is exactly what we need is, if you have a question or you want us to take a look at a stock, please post in our Discord in advance, and then we can take the time and do some due diligence on those stocks in advance of discussing them, which I greatly appreciate.
The content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch lists, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the link section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the BeachBum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello. BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the beach bum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level allows support, allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our trade positions initially in our Discord, and again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration. Another way that you can help support BeachBum Trading and being able to produce frequent quality content for you for free on YouTube, etc., is in addition to subscribing to our BeachBum Trading channel, hitting the like button on our videos, and hitting the notify so you're alerted when we release further videos. You can also choose to show your support for BeachBum Trading with a super thanks, which you can find below this video. If you hit the heart with the $sign, the super thanks, again, you can financially support BeachBum Trading in whatever amount that you wish, and we greatly appreciate your support, and that will help us, again, be able to produce frequent quality content that we can provide for you and all your fellow beach bum traders around the world for free on YouTube. So again, we greatly appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much.
Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.